problem is odd even list. Given the head of a single linked list, we need to group all the odd indices together, followed by all the even indices, and return the reordered linked list. So let's take an example. If we are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we need to group 1, 3, and 5 first, and then group 2 and 4, which would follow the earlier odd indices list. Similarly, if we are given 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4, 7, we need to reorder it so that 2, 3, 6, 7 comes first, followed by 1, 5, 4. So we'll be using two-pointer approach to solve this. One pointer would be pointing to the odd indices, and we would keep incrementing that to point to the next subsequent odd indices. Similarly, there would be an even pointer starting with the first even index and pointing to subsequent even index. At the end, we will make the last odd index to point to the head of the first even index, right? Let me write the pseudocode for this, and then we would convert this into Java. All right. So the first step would be to handle null list. Then we would say iterate over the list, set the next odd index to subsequent odd index. Node to point to subsequent odd index, and then we will advance the odd index. Similarly, set the even index node to point to subsequent even index, then advance the even index. Set the odd index node to point to head of even indices. Let's return result. So let's convert this into Java. This if head is equal to null, then there is nothing to reorder, so just return null. We need to iterate over the list, so let's define a few variables. List node odd head is equal to head. List node even head is equal to head dot next. Then we also need two more pointers. List node odd current be pointing to head. List node even current would be pointing to even head. We can mark this as odd head. Now let's iterate while odd head not equal to null and even head is not equal to null. Then let's check if we have reached the end of the list. So if we have reached the odd head dot next would be null, you just return. Say, let's set this guy odd, would be odd current. Similarly, this would be even current. Similarly, this would be even current. Odd current dot next is equal to even current dot next. Even current. Dot next can set even current dot next to odd current dot next, because odd current is already advanced. Even current become even current dot next. After this, odd dot next is equal to even head, and then return odd head. I think that should pretty much do. Let's try running this guy. Let me try submitting this.